Alright, today we're going to paint the famous Chicago hot dog. Now, why the Chicago version? Because that's the freaking best, dude. Anyone knows. Freaking forget that New York crap. So, as you might know, I grew up around Chicago, so we grew up on hot dogs. Toronto has a similar hot dog as well. And, you know, basically a hot dog stand in every corner. But the best one in Chicago is a chain called Portillos. Oh, so good. The closest one to me is in Indianapolis, so it's drivable, but it's like an hour and a half to get a damn hot dog. All right, let's see what's going to happen.
The question of the day is, what's the difference between a Chicago hot dog and a New York hot dog?
All right, let's run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, raw umber, burnt umber, raw sienna, primary yellow, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, alizarin, pearly red. Let's get the party started. Here's the Chicago hot dog. Put down the first layer, the blue, the orange. That has to be a little bit darker, probably another 1 or 2 coats. See if we like those colors. Maybe go darker on one of them. Maybe a darker blue, I'm not sure. The overall bun kind of is believable as color-wise. I think it should be a little bit more open. So we'll see if we need to widen this a little bit. Maybe make the angle a little steeper. We need to add a little more shading into the bun to get a more of a rounder effect. It has somewhat of a little bit from this dark to white. But not quite there yet. And the relish and onions don't really seem believable from a distance up, from a close up. From a distance, it reads pretty well on the camera, but I think it got a little bit of work to go there. The colors in the hot dog look pretty good. I put a little bit of red in there just to kind of give it that. So we'll probably outline these later. So we'll see how it goes from here.
So the question of the day is the difference between a Chicago hot dog and a New York hot dog. So in New York, they put kind of chili cheese, onions on it. There's a lot of variety of different hot dogs, but it's kind of the traditional hot dog. Now in the Chicago, what they do is they put cucumber, relish, onions, hot peppers, mustard, and ketchup. So if you want to check out something, we're gonna go check out Chicago hot dogs, see if they're any good. All right, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look. So I added kind of a darker red at the end. The outlining was kind of a pain in the butt. It was hard to get the purple on there and then redo it and then do the purple again. It's kind of like, I don't know why DeviantCore did it this way. It's such a pain in the ass. It looks really cool in the end. I'm thinking maybe I should use an orange versus a purple, or maybe double outline it, but overall I think it's pretty good. I probably should have done the hot dog one more go on it, maybe a little red punch there. But it does look like a hot dog from what I can see, so hopefully people like it. And you know, I'm definitely a fan of the Chicago hot dog, so hopefully that kind of comes across as I did this. And hope you guys enjoy it and eat a Chicago hot dog. Try it once. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.